Welcome, Yankee fans. Today we have the Tampa Bay Rays versus the New York Spankies. It is Sunday, February 24th.
Here's Luke Voit. Voit drove in a run, his first time up with a base hit. There's a shot. That baby is well tagged and out of here. A gargantuan shot by Luke Voit right there. A three-run blast, and boy, did he get all of that. That will make it a 6-0 ball game.
Have you guys missed that Sammy Sosa hop step home run trot? I bet you have, and so did I. So today the Yankees win 8-5, and spring training games it doesn't always intrigue me who wins or who loses, but it's just the story today is Luke Voit. He had 2 hits, he had 4 RBIs, he was smashing the ball. And it's just a fight between Luke Voit and Greg Bird. That's going to be the majority of the story through spring training, so you hold tight and let's see who wins that battle. I'm enjoying the entertainment value of it. However, I will say this, that I think Luke Voit and Greg Bird should both be on the New York Yankees. I do not like the fact that one of them is getting sent down. There's too much talent there at first base. I think we should send down a bullpen pitcher. I think that we should probably send down maybe even perhaps an extra outfielder. Usually I like to send out videos that have a lot more content to it, but the story today remains the first base job is now completely a debate amongst Yankee fans and the Yankee team and the managers amongst the Yankees. So let's see what happens and see you next time. And good job, DJ LeMahieu, getting your first Yankee hit. Congratulations!